not know.
No, you gotta do this. No, you gotta do the side with the stuff on it. You turn it. That's not it. Okay,
I'm scared of stuff I don't know what it is.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. I'm sitting here with hubby today.
Eric of No Trades.
We are doing something very exciting. So, in the course of me creating YouTube videos over these last few years it has been, I've met quite a few lovely people. You've added me on your Snapchat. We've had good conversations about hair, and I've also made some good friends along the way. One of those friends is from Australia, and her name is Tammy. So hi, Tammy. Hi, Tammy and daughters and family.
Hello.
So we wanted to open this. She has supported me in my business as well. If you guys didn't know, I do own a shop called the Happy Cauldron. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Clothes, candles, all kinds of cool stuff. We're also adding tarot readings and Reiki if you're interested in that kind of stuff. But we decided we were going to do a pen pal type thing and send things since we're in different countries. So this is the first of many. So this is hers to us from Australia, and then we'll be sending her one as well from the US. The goal is to have things from our countries and things that maybe we don't have in the other ones, and we can, you know, get a feel for what it's like over there, and she can do the same for here. So this is exciting, right?
Yeah, I'm excited. Can we open it now?
Okay, so we have not even opened it. We wanted to do this on video.
As I said, don't cut yourself. Don't cut towards yourself, babe. You have to cut away from yourself.
Can we go?
Okay, go.
Here, turn sideways.
Okay, hold on. First look, Aussie! It's bloody great. Oh, look, we got some napkins. Oh, Australia Day. Sweet. And we're gonna have a whole Aussie party. We're gonna have an Aussie party.
We're not gonna open this.
I know. Oh, it's collectibles.
Yeah,
okay, we're not allowed to use it.
Flippy floppies.
How cool is that?
You can wear those.
Yeah. Alright, so I'm allowed to wear those. Ooh, lamb. So, ooh, what is Smith? It kind of looks like over here we have Lay's. So it's like the same kind of design. I wonder if it's made by do you think it's made by the same people? Lamb and mint. And we got some Tim Tams.
It's gluten-free though.
How cool is this? Look, these are Tim Tams. We heard a lot about these. So if any of you guys have tried these, let me know what you guys think. We're going to be trying those in a second.
I don't think these are made by Lay's. This says made in Australia.
Oh, so it is straight Australian. Cool. Oh, don't those look good? These are the iced Vovos, the cookies. They're like a raspberry, I think, and coconut type deal. We're gonna try, treasured biscuit favorite with pink fondant.
They call them biscuits.
Jammy jammy raspberry topping.
We got biscuits, not cookies.
And, ooh, that's heavy. Did you put something in here? That feels heavy. It's a lunch bag, and now we can go to the park and stuff. It feels like there's something in there. Whoa! I thought that was it. You did good, Tammy. Okay, all right. So here's the rest of our party collectibles.
It's Australia Day. I was gonna open them and put them in.
Well, why can't we open it? Open them. You got, we got koozies. Nice. Sweet, he's a koozie collector, so you didn't know that. How cool is that? We have an Australia one, and we got this one. That'll be cool. Look, it says Australia on it. I forgot about that. Okay. What in the world? You can eat eucalyptus?
Koalas do.
What? Really eucalyptus, really handmade, really awesome. A healthy dose of eucalyptus and menthol is added by hand. Huh. That'll be good to try. It looks like, is it like a mint? It feels like it's shaped like a koala.
I'm scared of that one.
Oh, it's a bottle opener. We got this one. How cool. Did I show you? I don't know if I showed y'all that one. This is what I want to try. The infamous Veggiemite.
What is that?
It's the stuff that everyone talks about. And she told me, and she showed me the correct way to do it. So we're gonna get some toast. When we try that, I think you're supposed to use it with butter, right? A little bit of butter, and then that spread on it, and we will try it the right way.
I'm scared of that too.
Ooh, what? These are massive. Are they lashes? Is that lashes? Those are lashes. They're huge. Maybe, you know what? Maybe they're just magnified. Hold on. And we got balloons. We can have an we're really gonna have an Australian
mini
party.
Australia Day.
Australian party. And we're gonna start saying, what's your Australian accent? It's bloody. Or is
That sounds English.
No. I'm not good with accents. I can't open that.
I got it, Mike.
Ooh. Those are pretty. I can't wait to try those.
Those are for me, not you.
Those are pretty. Oh, thank you. All right, so now the part you've been waiting for, we're gonna try some of this stuff. I'm gonna go put some bread in the toaster for the Vegemite, and then we're gonna sit down while that's cooking, and we're gonna try some of this other stuff. While our toast is cooking, let's try some stuff. We're gonna try the lamb and mint chips. They smell good. They smell like chips. It's almost kind of gamey, isn't it, with the lamb? Oh.
Kind of tastes like a dill pickle.
No.
Chip.
Toast is ready. Oh. Next, we're gonna do the Vegemite.
What is Vegemite? I didn't think you'd explained it to me before.
Well, I don't entirely know. I just know that everyone talks about it, like on TikTok and everywhere.
Like that it's good?
It's you either love it or you hate it.
Is this like Australian Nutella? I don't know about that one.
That's why you gotta do it with bread. She said don't do it on a spoon like you see people. You gotta spread it on the bread like that.
That's enough.
Hold on. We're gonna spread it out. Oh man, what the hell? My bread's falling apart here. My bread's coming apart. I think it did good. How'd I do? Let me know. Okay. I'm scared. Are you scared?
Yeah, I'm really scared. You bite that big old fat corn. Oh
what?
God, no.
No, you gotta do this. No, you gotta do the side with the stuff on it. You turn it around. That's not it. Okay, ready?
I don't like it.
Do it. You didn't even turn it around.
That's a lot.
We'll just do the little end part.
I'm scared of stuff I don't know what it is. Oh, it's bad. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, that's bad. Why are you still eating it? Send that back to her. This is coming back to you, Tammy.
I need a drink.
We don't like it.
It's okay.
No, it's not.
It's got like a salty, moldy taste. It tastes like salty, moldy. I need a drink. Give me. Oh, you drink it all. Oh man, why did I do that without a drink? I can't imagine. You know how like the people do it with the spoons and stuff? Oh. Oh man. All right. Proudly look.
We'll
proudly made in Australia, so it is in Australia.
Absolutely. I've never seen that here.
95% Australian ingredients. All right, well, that's a no-go.
No, absolutely not.
We'll let the kids try it. Here, let me set this.
Just throw that away.
We're gonna get the kids to try it. Are you ready for some yummy stuff?
Get Trevor to do it.
We're gonna do some good stuff.
He's in here. Oh, let's get Trevor. Let's see what Trevor does. Hey, Trevor! Come here for a minute. Let's get Trevor to do it on video. See if he has the same reaction as me.
Come here.
Come here, bud. We got some authentic Australian for you to try. Come over here in the camera.
Yeah, come sit down. This is called. Sit down. Say hi. This
Veggiemite.
Yep, this is Trevor. He just woke up. Okay, this is our team.
He's just naturally this ugly.
What does that say about me? Alright, so this is Veggiemite. This is on Australian. I'm sure you've seen it on like TikTok and shit. It's just bread and butter with a little bit of Veggiemite, so you can try it. You either love it or you hate it.
Oh, he took a man bite.
It's really good for you. What?
Oh.
You don't like it?
I almost threw up. I was gagging. He's over there gagging now. Yeah, we don't like that stuff.
Well, we still have some more kids to go through.
Yeah, they're definitely.
You don't know that. You don't know that. Okay, so let's do this one.
No, we gotta do this first.
The minty one.
You said save the sweets for last.
This is kind of
So
sweet.
bad.
Oh, that's sweet.
I feel like this would be like a cough drop or something. Because eucalyptus is for when you're sick. I think I can't get it. Hey, shut the fridge.
Oh, it smells like the halls.
That's what I said. I think it's for when you're sick. Oh look, it's a whole pack of them. There's multiple. They're packs of packs.
I don't think this is gonna be bad. I think it's gonna taste like a cough drop.
Yeah.
Like one of our cough drops.
Yeah, that's what I think. And you know, for all we know, it could just help your immune system.
We got these to try.
Here's a little piece. You want
And we got
a little sliver?
that to try.
You want a sliver?
They're not called cookies, they're called biscuits. The Australian way, bud. This is all Australian stuff. In case you didn't notice my glasses.
Oh.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
It's like a cough drop.
Yeah.
It's straight up eucalyptus. We'll never get sick again.
Will it turn us into a koala?
That's pretty good.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
I don't want to try something else. Okay.
It's like a cough drop, but it's not super menthol.
Not overwhelming.
Yeah, like super menthol. It's actually good.
It's good flavor.
I do like that. That's good.
It's
These also aren't bad.
yeah, they're not.
Not my favorite, but they're not bad. But I don't eat a lot of chips anyways. Despite my schoolboy figure.
I have a sweet tooth, if you can't tell.
I can't believe you're not doing chocolate first.
We're gonna say the good. Well, actually, I don't know. I can't say good because they both look really good.
Yeah, you're a chocolate person.
Ooh. Okay. You want to split it in
You
half?
got me a biscuit.
No,
Let's
each get one.
let's split it in half.
Ready? also have menthol in my mouth.
That's pretty good.
Can you taste the stuff on the top?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. I like that.
Alright. Tim Tums. See, from what I was reading, it's like a, I think it's like a Heath bar, is it? Or is it like, you know, like the, or no, like toffee?
Doesn't Heath have mint?
Maybe it's not toffee. It just looks like chocolate.
Yeah, it looks like chocolate covered with chocolate. And they smell like they taste good.
They smell like they taste good. Mmm.
Oh dang. That's good.
Chocolate cookie.
That's good. Tastes like a Girl Scout cookie. I don't know which one. It's like Thin Mints without the mint.
Yeah.
That'd be good in the freezer.
That's really good. These are really good. All right, so what's your favorite?
The Tim
Out of this
Tams.
stuff, the Tim Tam. Yeah. I don't know. This one's got really good flavor too. So the sweet stuff, I think, is our favorite.
Obviously.
Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Thank you once again to Tammy and family for sending
Thank
this.
you.
Thank you. Woo. I love it. And now we are going to be coming up with some good stuff to send to you. So if you have an idea, we'll be in touch. Let me know. We'll figure it out. But anyways, hope you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already, what are you doing with your life? Subscribe right there for more awesome videos.
Over there, over here. Oh.
And I'll see you on my next one. Okay, bye. Who's that?
From The Price is Right. Look,
Ooh.
a blue flip-flop.
It fits me.